Let me show you how to install or remove apps on any Fitbit. So on the Fitbits, if you swipe like this, so you see you have multiple different apps, for example, alarms, timers, this EDA scans, ECGs, Google Maps, music controls and whatnot. So if you want to manage these, what you have to do is you simply go either in the Google Health or Fitbit app, and then on the top click here on your device. Then again on your device, and you want to click on the apps here. Okay, and you see you have all the apps available that are both already installed and that we can install. So for example, if you click here, I see you have installation button. So if you install, allow the permissions, and this app is essentially going to get installed on your Fitbit. So it does take a while to transfer and install it. So once it's transferred, for example, if I go and check, so see I have this new app here available. And if you want to perhaps like uninstall some app, so again, go back, and I see for all the installed ones, you have this uninstall button. So you can remove them. For example, if you do not need some of this stuff, if it simply like clutters your Fitbit, you can easily remove it. Okay, so this takes a while. So if we, for example, check, so see I do not have the Google Maps here anymore. Okay, like